everybody, this is Sangeeta and welcome to my channel Saayujyam, the Art Zone. In this video, we will be learning the basic needle knitting. For this, we will require a yarn of wool and these knitting needles. These are easily available in the market. Now these needles come with numbers that denote the thickness of the needles. The choice of needles depends on the thickness of the wool. Here I have taken the wool of this thickness. This type of wool is generally available everywhere. Since this is a thin wool, we will be using a thin needle. I have taken needle number 12. The thicker the wool, fatter the needle. The first thing that we will do is to cast on. There are several ways to cast on, but today I will be showing a very easy way for beginners. We will first make a slip knot. It is also called fanda in Hindi. Hold the working wool like this and bring the working wool up from inside it and pull through. Insert the needle like this and pull this way. Make sure it is not very tight. Now hold the working wool this way and twist like this and enter the needle in it. And then pull this way. There are two types of basic stitches in needle knitting, which are further improvised to make designs. One is knit stitch and another is purl stitch. These are also called Seedhi Bunayi and Ulti Bunayi in Hindi. In this video, we will see the knit stitch, that is the Seedhi Bunayi. Here I have made 25 stitches by casting on, and this will be the total width of the project. Straighten the loops on the needle and bring them together to the end of the needle. The working wool will be towards our right. Now insert the second needle from front of the first loop, pushing it back, forming an X like this. Now wrap the working yarn clockwise on the needle behind and push it in front and bring to this needle like this. And now we will slip that knot completely out of the first needle. We will continue doing this with rest of the loops on the left hand needle. After finishing each row of stitches, straighten the stitches like this. Keep the working yarn on the right and continue the next line of knit stitch. Keep making the stitches till we get the desired size of the project. I have also posted a video on finger knitting without using any needle. You may have a look on that as well. I have provided the link in the I button and the description box. Now that we have finished knitting our project, we will be binding off by closing these loops. Now how to do that? Let's see. We will first make 2 knit stitches, leaving 2 loops in the right needle. Insert the left needle like this on the first loop on the right needle, like this, and pull the second loop on the right needle like this. Now there is only one loop on the right needle. Again we will make a knit stitch and make it 2 loops on the right needle and continue in the similar way. This is going to be the last loop. Pull the working wool this way and remove the needle. Now cut the working wool and form a knot from inside this last loop. You can also cut the wool that was left in the beginning of the project while casting on by securing it with a knot as well. Here's the final look of the knit stitch project. Please do let me know your views on today's video in the comment section. Also like and share this video if you found it useful. Those who are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. I'll come up with more on needle knitting in the upcoming videos. Until we meet again in the next video, take care and bye-bye.